Hello, Gems. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. My name is T, and today's video is my year of savings. And with my year of savings, I have $100 in prop money that will go towards different saving challenges. Some of them that is going to take me a year to complete. So let's get into it. So first, I have this. Every Friday, you will save the designated amount of that day of the week or on Friday. So we have March 21st will be this Friday. So I am going to go ahead and save that $21. And this is created by Mandy's Monday _ budget. So let's do the 20 and 1. Perfect. And what I do with this each month, after I finish saving for the whole month, I will make an extra payment towards that. So January was $85, February was $70. So that's how I kind of do that. So we would do that for the whole year. All right. So next is the weekly savings. And this is created by Norella's Budgets. Can you still see? Okay. And this I am saving towards my son's senior year. He's a junior currently and will be a senior next year. So I am just trying to get a head start on saving for senior year stuff. So, you know, cap and gown, prom, all that stuff. Oop, let's roll this L. So each week you'll just save whatever amount. So you can make each circle $1, $2, $5. I decided to roll a D8 to help me determine how much to save. So that is a 4. So I am going to put 4 here. So 2 and 4. Perfect. All right. And let's go to this one. Oh, I forgot my color pencils. All right. Hold on just a second. All right, I am back. So let's go ahead. And this is created by Save with Judy. So you just save $5 per icon. And I'm going to put the $5 here so I don't forget. Excuse me, Mr. Leprechaun guy. I'm going to color this in. Have you guys ever watched the Leprechaun movie? I love that movie. I have to say, when I was younger and I watched it, I was scared of the Leprechaun. But I really like that movie. All right. And that's $5 for this week. All right. Move some stuff around. All right. So next I have this. Should I do this one? Yeah, let's put some towards it. So this is a group play created by Norella's Budgets. And let me go ahead and roll a die, see how much we are saving. $4. Not bad. So let's go with green. Let's do this 4 here. So $4. Perfect. And next, we have our Love is in the Air. And this is created by Mischief Managed Budgets. And let's get a card. And it says, oh, if I didn't say the group play is also I'm saving for extra payment of debt. And this Love in the Air, of course, is another extra payment towards debt. And this, after I finish all of these cards here, which let's see how many I have left. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more. Okay. Not bad. That says $120. So let's scratch off these lovebirds. Ooh, $10. All right. Put that back in here and get our 10. All right. And this is Happy New Year 2025, 12 new chapters, 365 new chances. And this is created by Stuff and Budget, saves $50. So let's see. 3, 1, 2, and 3. All right, and that is a 7. And this is going towards Easter. So 5 and 7. All right. And let's get to my favorite. So this is save 2025 and 2025. Move stuff around. And this is created by the Almost Organized Aisle. And I want to put 23. 20, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we might put a little bit more. Let's start with 23. All right, of course, I didn't have my color pencils. So I swear my desk is like never big enough. So 23. Color this one. Perfect. See what we have left. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Ooh, $26. Should I do a 22? So I say 26. So that will leave me with $4. Yeah, let's go ahead and do the 22. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And that leaves me with $4. Perfect. Okay, we put a little bit extra. And this goes towards my month ahead. All right, so let's color in the 22. Yay! I like when I get to put a little extra. Perfect. Another big number knocked out. All right. We got another 22 here. So see, next week we could put like another maybe $30 in. Yep, that looks like so nice. All right, so that is perfect. All right, so what are we gonna do with this $4? So I could put it towards here, but I'm going to go back to the group play and put it there. That seemed like a smart choice. So 1, 2, 3, and $4. So let's get the marker and do this other 4 here. Perfect. Let that dry. All right. And let me see. So we put the $21 for the every Friday. We put $4 in for the weekly savings. $5 for Save with Judy. The group play today got $2, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8. Love is in the Air got $10. And our Happy New Year got $7. And our, say, 2025 and 2025 today got 10, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $45. That is a blessing. Yes. And that was for our month ahead. All right. And that is finished. And if you missed the last video, I did complete the Budget with Carly's 2025, which I saved $128. And I just made an extra payment towards debt with that. And as soon as I finish any other challenges, I will be doing the same. All right. Uh-oh. What is going on? All right. Wouldn't be a great video without being a hot mess. All right. That is all I have. That was $100 put towards my year of savings. And that is all I have. Thanks, Gems, for the love and support. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.